Hello everyone, welcome to another AI tech tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create 4K images using Gemini Nano Banana. But if you're using Gemini application, web-based application, or your mobile Android application, if you try to create a image with 4K resolution, like I have given the prompt here to create this image as 4K resolution, and also I want to create a wallpaper like for my PC, and I also include this 4K resolution on my prompt. But whenever I download this image and go to a image resolution checker, I only get 2K resolution. You can see the file size here, and you can see the megapixel and file type, but you can see this resolution is like more than 2K, but this is not actual 4K resolution. And this is also the same resolution that I got from the first image that I created, which is this image. So how you can create 4K resolution image using Nano Banana? For that, you need to go to Google AI Studio. So go to search bar and search for Google AI Studio. And click on try Google AI Studio and just log in with your Gmail. And after that, you just need to go to the playground. And to use the 4K resolution, there's an important information is that you actually need a pro subscription to use that 4K resolution. So for that, we're going to go to this right corner, or you can see option there models. You can see there's option of image generation. Now you can see there's an option of Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2, which is paid. So if you got a subscription, pro subscription, you can use that. Otherwise you need a API key to use that, but we have already got it because we're using a pro subscription. After opening the image generation, you can see there's an option of resolution, and here you get the 4K resolution. So let's just select that. And if you want to create an image which the prompt has knowledge about from internet, you have to turn this on, like grounding or Google search. And aspect ratio, you can also select aspect ratio, which you cannot use in Gemini application. Like now you cannot choose any model, and also you cannot use aspect ratio. You have to provide that for yourself. So come to Google AI Studio and let's just choose the 16:9. Let's just use this same prompt here and paste it, and just remove this 4K resolution because I already selected the resolution here, and just click run. And as it's a 4K resolution image, so it's going to take some time. So after 40 seconds, as you can see, I get this image. So let's just download this image and let's see if I really got the 4K resolution, and upload it in the image resolution file checker. And now as you can see, I actually got a 4K resolution image using the Google AI Studio. So the resolution that I got is also exceeds the standard 4K Ultra HD resolution, which is, as you can see, in Google AI Studio, this file type is JPEG, and if you try to create a image in Gemini, it gives you PNG. So remember that. And this resolution is also excellent, and it's ready to print, so you don't need to upscale it. You can directly print it. And I'm also using this as my PC wallpapers. Look how cool this is. So that's it guys, this is how you can use Gemini Nano Banana Pro to create 4K resolution image on your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.